Welcome to NotebookLM. In just seconds, turn your lecture notes into interactive flashcards and quizzes. Let's dive in. Start by opening your notes in the app. Our user-friendly interface makes it simple to organize your study materials. Select your key points. With a few taps, highlight important information you want to turn into flashcards. Now, convert these highlights with just one click. Watch as your notes transform into visually stunning flashcards. Next, create quizzes tailored to your flashcards. Challenge yourself with this fun and effective study method. Ready to ace your next exam? Use NotebookLM to maximize your learning experience and enjoy the process. NotebookLM is your perfect study companion. With easy access to your notes, studying has never been more efficient. Join a community of learners who use NotebookLM to reach their academic goals. Study smarter, not harder. Download the NotebookLM app now and transform the way you study forever. Let's make learning fun. That's it. Start creating your flashcards and quizzes, and never look back. Happy studying!